Boom, back at it again. Just another day. Alright, so now we're on the other side of the engine bay, so that way when I primer it, I'll primer the whole thing, and then the side that I started today, I'll double check it tomorrow, and then sand it down again, and then primer it again. If I find any mistakes, and I fill up the Bondo here and there. So let me show y'all what I've been sanding so far. Right, I sanded all that back down, sanded all that seam sealer. Still got a lot of sanding to do. I still gotta sand all that, make that even. Yeah, we getting there. That way I could just primer all this together, because I'm already done on this side. Now all I have left is this side. So I'll just primer all at once. I don't gotta worry about this side anymore. And then check over here and make sure everything's good over here. All right, y'all, so far, got that Bondo and blocked off, that Bondo and blocked off, over there Bondo and blocked off, and all the gumpy stuff that I had of the seam sealer, when it flattened out, filled it up. Now I just gotta go ahead and, you know, keep on making it smooth again, and once I primer everything, double check like I always said, and keep on. I still got a lot of stuff to Bondo, but I'm gonna finish off. That's all for today. I got the next clip coming up, so we'll see how much I got done. What it do, people? Another day here working on the engine bay. Got a lot of stuff already done. I'm almost done, actually. I'm almost done. I'll show y'all right now what I've done so far. So far, got that whole bottom piece done. Y'all remember the sealer was there. I flattened that out all the way. Then I went ahead and I, you know, filled it up with some Bondo just to level it out, just so it don't be all that gumpiness and ugliness, so it could look like this side, you know, nice and rounded. And then now I'm just working on still leveling this out just a little bit more, covering this hole here, covering a hole that hole right there, and this hole too. But yeah, I think we'll primer it today. third one, and then I'll look through this side, see what I have that I have to fix. This side is looking great. I see one spot I have to fix, but nothing big. I'm gonna relook at this on the next one, and then reprimer it again. Alright guys, finished product. Like I said, oh hold on, it's coming dirty. Alright, yo, so like I said, I was primering this side. I got to fix little things here and there, like like these two little dots. I'll fix that. Let me see. And I seen something else around here. Oh, that right there. But other than that, everything else is great. Everything. No more ugly seam sealer that was there. Yeah. I'm gonna sand it down. Double check everything. Primer it one more time. And then ready to paint. What it do? Hold on, let's flip the camera. Boom. What it do, my people? So today's the day. Today's the day that we gotta go ahead and paint this thing. We're gonna paint it today. I'm finished prepping now, and I got a whole lot of mess I gotta clean up. I gotta sand it down because I primer some spots, and then I gotta go get the paint. And once I get the paint, she'll be done. She'll be done. So let me clean up and get to it. Thought the camera was recording the whole time, so now I'm putting the plastic over the car. That way, you know, it don't get overspray and stuff. So let me get back to it. Now we gotta wash this little baddie up. You never know if there's any grease. So I'll put some degreaser and some dishwashing soap and scrub it down with a scuff pack. Get all the corners. All the corners you can get, the best. Edges are the most important. I hope y'all watching. I hope y'all watching. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope y'all watching because it's hot. It's hot and I'm recording, all right? We in Florida, all right? So it be hot. So y'all better be watching. Please give a like. Just one like, please. And subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Come on, ladies and gents. Y'all gotta subscribe. It's hot, all right? Hot. I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna get the paint. Be back.
This how it looking. This how we looking. And it dry up. Yes, sir. They're looking spanky doodle. Yes, sir. We are back. I got the paint now. Give me a second. So, boom, got the paint. Now, oh, and also I got this little gauge for the gun. Yes, sir. I didn't have one. But, mix the paint up. Start spraying. Steady. Alright. Boom. Wax and grease removal. That way the paint sticks too. You never know. Damn camera overheating. I'm telling you, it's hot. I've been telling y'all. Let's get it. First coat of paint. This camera should be tripping. Anyways, take two. Like I was saying, the damn camera did slow-mo, so. All right, I finished throwing the first base coat on the firewall and in the corners where they're hard to get some paint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some 600 to smoothen the areas out, and then just keep on hitting it with some base. I'll show you how it looks right now. Just give me a second. Hopefully the camera don't turn off on me. Boom, perfect. All right, so I gotta stop saying so or I so. Got all this base out. Coming along. let me get back to it. Oh, y'all good? Y'all good? I almost busted my ass there. Oh yeah, 600. All right, ladies and gents, it is clear time. Now, I don't got my mask. I lost it. Oh well, gotta do what I gotta do. Boom. That's it. It's done.
Bro, I hope it don't rain, man. Look at this. If it rain, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, whoa, hold up. All right, now we clear. Look at that. Sheesh. Glossy. Glossy, boys. Don't panic. Don't panic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, she's finally done. She's done, completely done. Don't ever paint without a mask. That shit'll mess you up. But yes, sir, she's done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's still hot. Even that cloud is out, still hot. Look, I'm cracking the sweat. Cracking the sweat. Sheesh. I need a haircut. Catch y'all on the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, comment. Like I said, she's done. Peace.